Part 1, good morning. My name is David Parker. What's your full name, please?
Good morning. My name is Emma Collins.
Can I see your identification, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you, Emma. Now I'd like to ask you a few questions about your home. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment at the moment. It's small but comfortable and suits my needs right now.
How long have you lived there?
I've been living there for about 3 years. I moved in when I started my current job.
What do you like about your home?
I like that it's quiet, clean, and close to my workplace. The neighborhood is also very safe and friendly.
Do you prefer living in the city or the countryside?
I prefer the city because everything is nearby: shops, restaurants, and gyms. But sometimes I dream of living somewhere peaceful.
Would you like to move to another home in the future?
Yes, definitely. I'd love to move into a bigger place one day. Maybe even my dream house if I'm lucky.
Part 2. Thank you. Now I'm going to give you a topic. You'll have 1 minute to prepare, and then you should speak for about 2 minutes. Your topic is describe your dream house. You should say where it would be, what it would look like, what special features it would have, and explain why it would be your dream house. 1 minute preparation pause. All right, Emma. Please begin when you're ready.
My dream house would be a modern villa located near the beach, somewhere peaceful but still close to a small town. I've always imagined living near the ocean because the sound of waves and the fresh breeze make me feel calm and happy. So for me, a home with a sea view would be perfect. The house would have a simple but elegant design with large glass windows so natural light could fill every room. I imagine it being painted in soft white and light wooden tones, giving it a warm and airy feeling. Outside, there would be a small garden with palm trees, colorful flowers, and a relaxing sitting area where I could enjoy my morning coffee. Inside, the house would have 3 bedrooms, a big living room, and an open kitchen. One of my favorite features would be a reading corner by the window with a comfortable chair and lots of bookshelves. I also want a small home office where I can work peacefully without distractions. And of course, the best part would be a balcony overlooking the sea, where I could sit in the evenings and watch the sunset. Another special feature of my dream house would be a rooftop space. I imagine creating a little rooftop garden with fairy lights, plants, and a cozy seating area, perfect for spending time with friends or simply relaxing alone. I also dream of having a private walkway that leads directly to the beach. I could go for morning walks, collect seashells, or just sit and watch the waves whenever I feel stressed. Living so close to nature would definitely improve my mood and lifestyle. The reason this would be my dream house is because it combines comfort, beauty, and peace. I love the idea of waking up to the sound of the ocean and living in a place that feels like a holiday every day. It's a space where I could work, relax, and enjoy life at my own pace. To me, a home is not just about walls, it's about a feeling. And this dream house would give me the perfect feeling of happiness, comfort, and freedom.
Thank you, Emma. Part 3. Let's talk more about homes and modern living. What types of homes do people prefer today?
Many people prefer modern apartments or houses with open spaces, good lighting, and smart technology. Comfort has become a big priority
Why do some people prefer living in big houses?
because big houses offer more space, privacy, and comfort. Families with children, especially, need extra rooms and larger common areas.
Do you think people will live differently in the future?
Yes, I think homes will become more eco friendly, smart, and compact. People will focus more on sustainable and energy efficient living.
What makes a home comfortable?
Good lighting, fresh air, enough space, and a peaceful environment. Also, personal touches like decorations and photos make a home feel cozy.
Should governments help people buy homes?
Yes, housing is a basic need. Affordable housing programs can help people live better and reduce financial stress.
Thank you, Emma. That's the end of your speaking test.
Thank you very much.